Hi everyone, welcome back to Amara and Khene. My name is Khene. In today's video, I'll be sharing a job website in New Brunswick, Canada, where you can search for jobs with LMIA and jobs in the New Brunswick Atlantic Immigration Program. So sit tight and watch the video till the end. Please follow the instructions on the video, alright? If you are new here, you're welcome. We can show you how you can relocate to Canada as permanent resident. We'll have lots of videos that we discussed on this, both Federal Skilled Worker Program and Atlantic Immigration Program. So just go through our videos and check them out. To our returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. So I came across this job website in New Brunswick, Canada, and decided to share it with you guys. I know many of you have been asking, how can they get a job in Canada? Please share jobs in Canada and all that. It's not easy to come by. So please make sure you watch this one to the end. Follow the instructions on this video, okay? This is a very good opportunity for you to get a job in New Brunswick, Canada. Remember, before you apply for any job in Canada, your CV must be in Canada format. I hope you know that. So this video right here on our YouTube channel will guide you when writing your CV. We also have a sample on our Instagram page. So just search Amara and Khene on Instagram. You see a sample of a CV, of a Canada CV format. So you can use that format and also write your own CV. So let's check the job website together. So this is the job website, mbjobs.ca, which is obviously newbrunswickjobs.ca. So let's scroll. You can see you can actually search for a particular job you are looking for. All right, so let's scroll and check out the jobs. Call center, customer service, halfway house worker, cashier. There are lots of jobs on this website, so please just take your time, go through them. Remember, some of the jobs here are for those in Canada, while others are for those outside of Canada. So please, before you apply, check if it's for those in Canada or for those outside of Canada. Anyone you see for those outside of Canada, please do message them. Ask them if they recruit under the Atlantic Immigration Program. And of course, it's for those that already have the evaluation and have written IELTS. All right, so if any of them replies you that they recruit under the Atlantic Immigration Program, that means you stand a chance of even going to Canada as a permanent resident, okay? Else, other jobs would be LMIA. So please also ask them, okay? And please, like I said, take your time on this website. Check out the jobs, each one, anyone you know you can do or you have experience on that you can do. Check it out and message them, okay? And before I forget, please, anybody can come to Canada. Anybody can apply to any of these jobs, okay? I'll be sharing other jobs as I see them, okay? Until our next video, please stay safe, all right? Bye.